Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will make quick look at rare Ford Orion Mk1 model in 1/43 scale that was made by IXO. Full-scale Ford Orion Mk1 is a booted version of Ford Escort Mark III that was produced from second half of 1983 until January 1986. It was made to fill empty gap in Ford range, after Ford Cortina or Taunus was replaced by Sierra. It was more comfortable in the back, and better equipped than Escort, but with same handling, performance and economy. Models of Ford Orion Mk1 were produced only by IXO in limited numbers. Now they are very rare, and high valued. I have got this example only after a few years of search. Overall, model has high quality body and interior. But unfortunately, underneath is almost flat. Hope that you liked this video. Write comment if you have same model.